Tamjid, today we're going to plant this magic seed. Are you ready?
Yes, Dad. What kind of seed is it?
It's a sunflower seed. When we plant it and take good care of it, it will grow into a big, beautiful sunflower.
Wow, I can't wait to see it.
First, we need to dig a little hole like this.
How deep should it be, Dad?
Not too deep, just enough to cover the seed. Now, say Bismillah and put the seed in the hole.
Bismillah.
Next, we need to water the seed. Plants need water to grow.
How much water, Dad?
Just a little bit for now. Too much water can drown the seed.
Look, Dad. It's growing.
Yes, Tamjid. With patience and care, our seed is turning into a beautiful plant.
It's so tall and beautiful. Alhamdulillah.
Yes, it is. You did a great job taking care of it.
Thanks for teaching me, Dad.
You're welcome, Tamjid. Remember, with a little love and care, we can help things grow and flourish.